welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a little hobby that I picked up this summer. I decided to start my watercolor journey, and I was gifted this book a couple of years ago. So if you're interested in how I'm doing, stay tuned. So I was gifted this watercoloring set a couple of years ago, and this summer I decided to start practicing. I've never done watercolor before other than like in elementary school, so this was a first for me. And basically what I did is I worked my way through this book. I'm not finished. I think I got to day 25. So this was a super fun book. It teaches you everything from the basics to different strokes, layouts. It even helps you with sketching. And every day kind of builds up on the next day, so it was a lot of fun. And I just want to show you a little bit of a flip through of what I was able to do. Okay, so this is me swatching out these colors, so I knew exactly what I was getting. And this is actually a different set of colors. This was just me playing around the first day that I got them. And then the first lesson is right here. Just making the colors bleed into one another. And you got a little creative. Tried to draw some flowers or paint some flowers. And this is day 1. The rest of day 1. Day 2, making C's and circles and letting the colors bleed into each other. And day 3, triangles, and day 4 is geometric shapes. Day 5, learning to paint leaves. And then continuing it on, showing light and dark. Day 7 was trees. I had a really difficult time with day 8, so I actually did day 8 twice. Next was a full page of just leaves, shapes, flowers, and then palms, and then a papaya. Day 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I actually got much better at this in a different painting. Sketching a rose was day 17, and then the chicken, which I affectionately named, or the rooster I affectionately named Rory, like our rooster here. Then a beautiful hummingbird, which we get a lot of here, and then a rose. This one is I believe it's called a toucan, and I feel like I didn't make it to size, but I did enjoy it. This one is my absolute favorite. I sketched it and then painted it, and I love it. And then this is a full page, and you can see where I practiced making the cactus again. This was a lot of fun. It actually took 2 days. And that is it. I have a couple more pages to fill up, and I hopefully will get that done soon. So that is my watercolor practice for this summer. If I can find this book on Amazon, I will link it down below. These watercolor paints, I don't think they're available anymore, but if I can find them, I will link those also down below. And let me know what you think. What paintings or art projects have you been working on? Any tips or tricks for how I can improve my watercolor journey? I would greatly appreciate it in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.